Hi there. I have a friend that's in South Carolina, which when I clicked on, I got this close to where he's at. But anyway, down here they have all these tools, and one of them that I found that is really interesting is this. So you just click on this link. It says loading EDD, National Weather Service Enhanced Data Display. Okay, United States, it loads. All right, so over here, you can click on these things. River controls. Okay. Um, hazards, and it pops up. This is all really clear and really neat. I like this a lot. I thought you'd like it too, which is why I'm making a video about it. And I'll have the link below. Radar, you can see the storm coming up through here. Okay, and then to get it off, you just click. Um, this I thought was really neat too. So, travel forecast. So then this little thing pops up, and you can just move it up to where it fits your screen. Now, I want to see, I was curious about what it'd be like when they came back. So, start location, right click on the map. So, let's just pretend that they're down here. So then I'll pick set start there, and then end location. So I'll click down there, and then I'll right click, and say, perhaps I want to stop right there. Okay, and then I'll right click on this again. This is just so cool. Oops. And then, okay, one of the kids in the house had something to talk to me about. So, end location, I'll right click there, and let's say I'm going up to here. Oops. Oops. So it shows that, but set and okay. So then it'll tell me what the weather's going to be like through this area when I'm driving, my rest time. Now let's say if I want to change this, that, oh, this is cool. So this is what flash flood watch if I would leave tomorrow from there, or they would, and then storms coming up through here. Let's say I want to leave on a different date, the 31st. Then this is going to give that to me. I think I need to re-click on that. Let's try it again. I know I just did this, but this is the first time I've ever used it, and I thought it was so cool that I thought I'd make a video about it immediately. Um, hmm. Can't get this to go up any further. Oops. I'm gonna stop in a minute. No, I think I'm just gonna leave it. Let's see. We'll figure this out together. I'll click on that again. Um, add additional stops. No, I don't want to add any additional stops. Okay. Oh, and so now it's doing it on the right date. So if I leave on the 31st, then this is the kind of weather I would get. And it brings up this thing that tells me, yeah, everything that you need to know. It's going to be windy there. This is a very cool thing, I think. So let's get off of that. It's easy peasy like that, right? um, how do I get out of it? Let's delete that. Let's delete that. reset. Okay, so I'm going to stop it again for a minute. Okay, so I found this video, National Weather Service Enhanced Data Display, where it explains how to use that map. So the link will be below for that too, in case you're curious and you want to look. I think it's super cool. So then I also found this video explaining it in other details. So the link for that is also below. And a third one. And this one is the first one to watch if you're interested. Okay, so I thought this was pretty difficult to use, but actually it's not that difficult. Set start date, set end date, and oh, that's what it says. Double check your location. So it is kind of difficult. It seems like I'm having a difficult time with it. But I did do it right the first time, and I thought it was fantastic. Let's try. I don't know why it's doing that to me. Let's change the time. And I just had something on there. Okay, so we'll just go a little ways. Oh, you son of a gun. Okay, you can see how wonderful it is, right? But it did work the first time. So we'll get rid of this travel hazard thing. Because some of this other stuff I think you might also like to look at. Probabilistic forecast. And I'm not sure where the key is. It must be down under here where I can't see it. Let's see if I stretch my computer. Oh, I still can't see it. So I guess I'm giving a review of what I think about this. I think it's fascinating to look at. Definitely. What else can I do with it? Change it to ocean? What happens then? Oh, God. I love when I can see the ocean like that. Then you can zoom down on things. That you see these strange things that you wouldn't ever expect in the ocean. What else we got? World Topo. Find places to run if there's a disaster. Image. That's pretty cool too. I was looking at this earlier, and I thought you might find it interesting too, but here's the Great Lakes of the United States. But if you go all the way up in the straight line right here, you can see a lot of water. It's like, almost like it's coming apart, or like it was glued together not that well. And you can see all these lakes along this line. This area looks really bizarre. Look at all these lakes. It looks like a sponge. And it kind of freaks me out when I look at it sometimes. I mean, I'm just getting closer now. You know, it looks like that. It looks like bone. Looks like a sponge. This looks like it has like lines where the water is made. Like somebody scraped their nails along it. Let's back up a little here. The Great Lakes all along Wisconsin right here. This line of lakes that goes up. And then this part right here. I mean, it's kind of freaky looking actually. And even down into here, there's different areas that are, I mean, I find it fascinating. You might not actually find it fascinating. Let's see what else we've got here. What's model spread? Let's back up. What's this thing? Collection of points. What's the red thing? It's a collection of points. What is this? It says this was created 5 hours ago. They have names of cities here. WFO. I don't know what that means exactly. I don't know what that means at all, actually. What happens if I click on one? So it'll give me the forecast. Let's put it on. Stretch the screen out again. Oh. Intriguing. It's got more at the bottom of here that I can't read. Meaning I can't read because I can't see it on my screen. There's also a key over on this side that I can't see. That's as far as I can see on my screen, what you see. Unless I grab it and move it. That's what that means. Can I get this up any higher? I can't. Huh. Odd and interesting. Okay, so what is webcams? This layer uses a third-party service, and the National Weather Service does not have any control over the content of these images. Do you still want to add them to the map? Sure. Of course I do. Okay, so where are they? So nothing shows up. Alright, so I couldn't get that to do anymore. What happens if I turn it off? Huh? What happens if I clear it off? Oh, come on. Anything else? Can't do anything. I'm frozen now? Because I clicked yes. Oh. Haha, okay, so it just popped off by itself. Let's shrink this again so you can see this. Advanced aviation. Freezing level. Oh, come on, baby. So go ahead and show me. So I don't know what that's doing either. So this little button says mouse click control, and it's the question mark, which popped up for a minute, and then now where is it? Dictates what happens when you click on the map. Default option will provide you a forecast when the map is clicked. Oh. Okay, so where is it? Okay, maybe I clicked the wrong side of the mouse. You're supposed to right click it. No. Alright, well, I'm sure it's a great tool if I play around with it more, and I'm sure you don't want to watch me for hours and hours. I'm leaving that, grateful for you, and here at your service. Still a great link.